So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about human eyes. Eyes are sensory organ of vision. They are located in orbit of skull. Each eye is spherical or rounded in shape and called as eyeballs. Eyes are supplied by optic nerves. This optic nerve is a second cranial nerve. Structurally the two eyes are separate, but unlike ear, some of their activities are coordinated so that they function as a pair. Structure of eye. The human eye consists three different layers: outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. Outer layer is fibrous in nature, middle layer is vascular in nature, which contain blood vessels, while inner layer is nervous in nature. It means it contains nerves. Outer fibrous layer consists sclera and cornea. Middle vascular layer consists choroid, ciliary body, and iris. And inner nervous layer consists retina. Sclera and cornea. Sclera, which is also known as the white of the eye, made up of dense fibroelastic connective tissue with collagen fibers. Cornea is also white in color and its nature is transparent. It allows light to pass through it. But differential point is it is avascular and it directly gets oxygen from the air. Exposed part of sclera and entire cornea covered by a transparent membrane or transparent membranous covering called as a conjunctiva. Sclera and intraocular pressure maintain the shape of eyeball. As we discussed earlier, the shape of eyeball is spherical and this shape is maintained by sclera and intraocular pressure present in the eye. Choroid, ciliary body and iris. Choroid, it is a part of eye which is rich in blood vessels and the color of choroid is deep chocolate brown. Light enters in the eye through the pupil, stimulate the nerve endings in the retina, and then it gets absorbed by the choroid. Ciliary body, it is the anterior continuation of the choroid. Iris, colored part of the eye, perforated in the middle by an aperture called as a pupil. So, regarding with the pupil, there are two important terms: meiosis and mydriasis. Meiosis means pupil size is reduced, while mydriasis means pupil size increased. Increase in the pupil size, mydriasis; decrease in the pupil size, meiosis. Both these terms are associated with pupil. And what is pupil? Pupil, it is a perforated region with the aperture in the iris is called as a pupil, which is the colored part of eye. Iris is the colored part. Retina. Retina is innermost layer of the. Interesting facts about human eyes. Why do eyes of cats and dogs glow in the night? The glowing eye in some animals is due to presence of reflecting layer behind the retina called as a tapetum lucidum. So tapetum lucidum is the layer responsible for glowing of eyes in some animal. And this tapetum lucidum, it is a reflecting layer which is present behind the retina. In eye donation, only cornea is transplanted, and eye donation gives sight to two blind persons. Means not whole the eye is donated, only part of eye is donated, and that part is cornea. Color of eye depends upon number of pigment cells present. Albinos have no pigments. Albinos means white people in which melanin concentration is very low, while people having high melanin, their skin color is darker as compared with the albinos. So albinos have no pigments, while people with the blue eye having a fewer than those with the brown eyes. Means brown eyes people have more amount of melanin compared with the blue eyes and albinos, while albinos have no pigments in their eyes.